Today I will explain step-by-step process of migration through mobile phone. For that I request you to go use Google Chrome. Type www.atomy.com/in. Once you redirected to this page, then you click on login, enter your credentials, your member ID, password, and then click login. You will get a pop-up message, click OK, and then you will get a pop-up where you have to watch two videos. One is Atomy introduction and second video is about Atomy compensation plan. After that you scroll down, go to direct seller agreement section, read all the contents, and then you may give consent by clicking I agree button. After that scroll down, go to code of ethics and principle section, read all the contents, and then you may give consent by clicking I agree button. Scroll down further, go to policies and procedures. There are 5 policies and procedures, read one by one, and then you may give your consent by clicking I agree. After that there is important section called as compensation plan. I request everybody to go to it one more time, read thoroughly, and then you may give your consent by clicking I agree button. After that there are 2 boxes. You may give consent on both the boxes by clicking I agree button. After that you click confirm button and your basic information will pop up, which at the top you will have your name, PAN number, your membership ID, gender, and education center detail. After that there is a password section and change password button is there. If you click change password button, then you can change your password by inputting the new password and old password. You can change your guest password as well if you wish to. Then go to the telephone number, check or change if you wish to. Next one is mobile. Again, check or change the mobile number if you wish to. The next section is called as address section. If you want to do address proof verification through Aadhaar card, then don't touch this section now, because through Aadhaar it will automatically take all your details from the Aadhaar card. If you are doing with passport, voter ID or driving license, then you can change your address details. Fill the address details and then click on search pin code button. Enter your pin code. Click search pin code and automatically you will get the city, district and state. Click that one and it will autofill the fields which are necessary. Then next section is called as email. I request everybody to check, if required change the email. After that the next section is address proof verification. In the address proof document type there are 4 options available: passport, voter ID, driving license and Aadhaar. Let us first do it with the voter ID. So I request select voter ID, input your voter ID number, then select the front page by clicking choose file. Then select the back page by clicking choose file. Then scroll down further and give your consent on acknowledgement of address proof. Click on all the 4 boxes. Then you go to the next section, that is the spouse information. If you have already added the spouse, then you can move directly. If you wish to add the spouse detail, then add your spouse name, spouse PAN card and spouse mobile number. If you don't have a spouse, then you can leave it blank. After that, click the confirm button and then say OK. Verification process is done. If you are doing address proof verification through Aadhaar, then my request is to go to address proof document type, select Aadhaar from the drop box and then click somewhere outside. Again go to the drop box and one more time select Aadhaar. Then input Aadhaar number. Then click on Aadhaar verification button. Then you will get a pop-up. Click OK. You will receive a OTP. Get the OTP from your message and enter the OTP into the box. Then click OTP verification button. After that, you have to give acknowledgement for address proof verification by clicking all the 4 boxes. Next section is the spouse information. In the spouse information, if you have not added your spouse details, then you can add now. If it is already added, then you can check the PAN card detail and the mobile details. If you don't have a spouse, then please leave it blank. And this spouse information is not anyway related to your nominee detail, so don't get confused. Here this information is related to only spouse, that is husband or wife. Once you enter all the details, then you click on confirm button and then one pop-up message will come. Click OK and one more time OK. That's it. So simple. With these simple steps, you can do your migration process. Thank you very much.